Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Grafana dashboards using Prometheus and Loki detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Grafana instance in your web browser. Log in using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the Grafana dashboard that you want to update. Check if you have data sources set up for both Prometheus and Loki. If not, go to the configuration section and select Data Sources. Enter the URL of your Prometheus server and save the changes. Next, repeat the process for Loki by selecting it as another data source. Now, return to your dashboard by clicking on Dashboards in the sidebar. Choose New Dashboard to create a fresh one or edit to modify an existing dashboard. To add a new panel, click on Add Panel. You can select from various visualization types, such as graphs or tables. In the panel editor, set the data source to Prometheus for metrics. Enter a PromQL query to fetch the data you want to display. Use the Query Inspector to troubleshoot and refine your query as necessary. For logs, add another panel and set the data source to Loki. Write a logql query to retrieve the desired logs from your Loki instance. Adjust the visualization options to better present your log data. Preview your changes by clicking the Apply button in the panel settings. Once satisfied, name your dashboard and save it for future use. You can also set up alerts by navigating to the Alert tab in the panel settings. Configure alert conditions based on your query results. Set notification channels to receive alerts when conditions are met. Finally, share your updated dashboard by clicking on the share icon. Choose the preferred sharing method, such as a link or embedding the dashboard. Your Grafana dashboard is now updated in visualizing data from both Prometheus and Loki. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.